Hi guys, I am Shuman Khan
And guys, I am Alshan Khan and today we are going Phoenix Palladium Mall.
and welcome back to another vlog. So guys, today Alishan is tell you Phoenix Palladium we are going. So guys, today we are going Phoenix Palladium and you can see the ceiling there is, and we are going to reach and we reach at Phoenix Palladium, and this is the parking of Phoenix Palladium hotel. You can see, and there is all the expensive cars are seeing. I show you the BMW, Porsche,
Lamborghini Urus.
Urus, Range Rover, all the Phoenix, and we are reached at Phoenix Palladium. This is the mall. First time I'm going, and we are fun in that. So I show you the full
And
vlog.
Aslan also do masti
Aslan
guys.
do also masti full too, and this is the main area of entry gate. So this is the Phoenix Palladium, and this is about 7 floor parking. So we had stand our car at the front of the Phoenix Palladium only. So how we go there?
And
the
we
car.
enter, then first he will check our vaccine
Vaccine certificate. So this is the many shops, showrooms are there like Apple, and everything is there. Astronogen
And McDonald's, Domino's, Chayo's also there.
Chayos, like all the brands
In
are,
every mall is there.
but all the brands are there, and it is a big mall. So it is the first here, left right also mall, and here this electronics you can see there is inside also the mall. So it is a big mall, you can say. And this is Arshad uncle, you know that. And this is the McDonald's side, and this is the decoration is very good. Everything, it is a decoration is also very good, and you see in
And
the
and Aslan also doing Himless musties. He cannot come out in Himless.
I'm going December, November ending. So I will also forget it. I am editing on the 20th December. So I'm uploading vlog in 10 days. So gap. So I had next vlog also. So if you're interesting, so you tell me the comment to upload soon.
You can
Eh,
say Aslan is doing masti.
So you this is the Hamle. So it is very fun here to see Aslan playing the games, and many games are there. You can buy anything, rickshaw, scooter like this also you can buy from here. You can see the all the
And
here.
in our PV, you can buy PlayStation 4, 5.
This is the camel. You can see this. It is playing, and Aslan is full to crying. It is and this is the big teddy, and it's about 12,000 rupees. This teddy,
And this
worth it.
year, Aslan is playing this
Aslan
game.
playing this game, and we have to keep a ball, and we have to front up the
This
pull
is
up the
a small
lever.
kids
So
area.
you can play here. Any kids can play this game. So it is very interesting. Aslan is doing musty full too. guys, here Aslan is sitting here and we are clicking our photos. You can see my dad and Alishan and Nishad uncle clicking the photo. And so guys, this is a area you can see.
It's
Full
a very
location.
big area.
And we are entering the Phoenix Mall, Phoenix Palladium Mall. This is the main Phoenix Palladium Mall, and there is another also. It is on the Aptronics. I show you that this is but the Aptronics is Apple showroom, and it is inside only. There is a mall big. There is also a big mall. So Arjan, how are you liking it?
I like this mall, guys. I tell you, you come this mall and you have first you want a vaccine certificate of and 14 days. Then you come and you full enjoy in this mall, and you have small kids, so you can take him and Himle
and play it with your brother, small sister. You can play with it, and the mall is very good. And there is a PVR cinema also is there, but I not show that. I not go also that PVR. So it is a but it's a good. There is all the movies are there, but it is very good. You can see the mall, every brand are there. You can see, and you can shopping also. You can do it and see me how I'm looking good and not. And there is a bull also. I click with photo that also. You can see the next
in
view.
Instagram.
Next Instagram also here you can see that there is a bull type there, and I also click a photo, and with him and dad is clicking with photo is my brother, and my photo is also is there. You can see good photo, so I upload my photo also. And Arshad uncle is down,
uncle is there.
so it is down. So Aslan is roaming there. So you can see the full area location, so you can see. And I want to compare with Phoenix Mall to Phoenix Palladium. So if you want that, and Geo Drive Mall also, so want that, so I make the video about that also. In the reality I'm making that, not making video and you telling this we are going in a one day 3 malls, so I make that video also. But tell me in comment section. And you can see that I'm reversed the camera of my uncle, so I'm giving a voiceover. And there is also, and this is a second side Aptronics one. I tell you that this is the second
Here
side.
we go for eat Frankie and
Chayos. We go Chayos also to tea for it is a new opening of Chayos, so you can see it is a very good. And
we go to eat Frankie, but that is shop is closed.
And there is all the brands. This is the main area also. You can shopping for that.
And your home center, Chroma, all things are there, all brands.
So all the brand Domino's, all the brands are there. This is the Chayos you see, and daddy taking for the tea. And we reach, and this is the home center front side to go inside that the mall.
Show me loving. I need your loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being a doctor to a crushing heart.